There was a country fiddler, a jester, a riddler, a joker, a singer of songs. In every town he passed, he'd stop to help the dancing master entertain his straw rope foot throng. And from a green cloth on his back he'd take his fiddle and some goodbye song. Now singing high, now murmuring low, now in the middle with his magic bow. And all the people would know Mad Paddy's gone back on the road. A wire string fiddle is his only load. He's kicking up tough everywhere he goes, and he's on his own. From the houses all the people they stare at his horslips and his evergreen hair. You know he keeps on moving, he just doesn't care when he's on his own. Mad Pat's on the road. First he'd play a slow, slow air, so fair to drive away your cares and bring a magic sleep. Then the pace will quicken, you'll burst out of your slumber and find yourself up on your feet. But then his magic tune will change to something strange. There's something wrong, what's going on? And through the tears you cry, you look, you'll sigh, you'll feel like dying, 'cause the fiddler's gone. Mad Paddy's moving on. Mad Paddy's gone back on the road. A wire string fiddle is his only load. He's kicking up tough everywhere he goes, and he's on his own. In the corner there's a smile on his face. His fancy is taking him to some distant place. His tunes keep changing, he can't keep the pace, and he's on his own. Mad Pat's on the road. There was a country fiddler, a jester, a riddler, a joker, a singer of songs. In every town he passed, he'd stop to help the dancing master entertain his straw rope foot throng. And from a green cloth on his back he'd take his fiddle and some goodbye snow. Now singing high,